Okay, now we'll continue with this part 18 on the exercise 4F on the problem number 2. Here the problem is find the discriminant of the following quadratic equation and hence find the nature of its roots. It's very much similar to the first question number 1. Here also what we have to do, you find out the discriminant, and then after getting the discriminant you check the value that we get whether is less than 0, equal 0 or greater than 0, and depending upon how it is, we will be able to find out the nature of its roots. Okay, the given equation here is 2x squared minus 16x plus 30 is 0. Comparing this with the standard equation, A is coefficient of x squared, which is 2, B is coefficient of x, which is minus 16, and C is constant, which is 30. Now using the formula for discriminant, B square is minus 16 square, minus 4, A is 2 and C is 30, minus square is plus 16 square is 256, and then minus, and then 4 multiplied to 8, 8 multiplied 30 is 240. On subtracting we are getting 16, which is greater than 0, isn't it? Hence, what will be the nature of the roots? It will be real and distinct, isn't it? The nature will be real and distinct. Okay, now number 2, you complete it as some work because it's very easy to do this thing, just to find out the discriminant, and then from there you can determine whether it is how will be the nature of the roots. Now next we move to the number 3. The number 3 here is 3 by 5x squared minus 2 by 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you have here you have 5 and 3 in the denominator. What you will do, you multiply 15 throughout the equation. Okay, multiply by 15 throughout. Here if you multiply by 15, 5 cancelling with 15, you will get 5 3 is the 15, then 3 with 3 is 9, that means 9x squared. Now if you multiply here also, 3 by 2 multiply 15, then 3 and 2 15, how much will go? 3 5, then 5 multiply with 2 is 10, and 1 multiply 15, you will get 15. Okay, now this is the standard equation. Comparing with this is the given equation, comparing with the standard equation, A will be 9, B is minus 10 and C is 15. Okay, now next find out the discriminant. B square is minus 10 square, minus 4, A is 9 and C is 15, minus square is plus 10 square is 100, 4 9s are 36 multiply 15 is 540. On subtracting we are getting minus 440. Plus minus is minus, you have to subtract. 540 minus 100 is 440. Which sign is greater? It is minus sign, therefore it will be minus 440. And this minus 440 is less, greater or equal 0. Definitely it is less than 0. Therefore the roots of the given equation will have no real roots. Okay, now the next number 3, which of the following has both root equals? Actually this question number 3, actually it should come in multiple choice of answer. You just have to do on the rough as a rough work, and then from there you can just choose number 1, number 2, number 3, either which one is having both the root equal. That means you have to find out the discriminant. If discriminant is 0, that means they will have both the root equal. Okay, but here is given as a problem, therefore you have to solve it for finding out what will be discriminant. The same thing as what we have done earlier also. Here will be finding the value of A, B and C. What is A? A is coefficient of x squared, which is 9, B is coefficient of x, which is minus 12, and C is constant, which is C is 4. Now using again with same formula, b square minus 4c is minus minus 12 square minus 4, A is 9, C is 4. You'll get 144 minus 144 is 0. Therefore, the given equation will have both of this root equal, isn't it? Now, you can practice by your own also without looking at this video, and if you are not able to solve, then you refer again to this video and see how I've done it. Okay. Now number 2, the given equation is 9x squared minus 6x plus 4. Comparing this with the standard equation, A with its coefficient of x squared, it is 9, B is coefficient of x is minus 6, and C constant, it is 4. The discriminant will be minus 6 square minus 4, A is 9 and C is 4. Minus square plus 6 square is 36. 4 9s are 36. 36 multiply 4, 144. On subtracting plus minus minus, you have to subtract 144 minus 36, you get 108. Which sign is greater? It is minus sign, therefore you will have minus 108. Is this number greater or less or equal? It is less than 0. Therefore, the equation will have no real roots. Okay. Now number 3, the given equation is 3x squared minus 2 root 6x plus 2 equals 0. Comparing here also with the standard equation, A is 3, B is minus 2 root 6 and C is 2. Now B square, what is B square? Minus 2 root 6 square minus 4, A is 3 and C is 2. Minus square plus 2 square is 4 and root 6 square is 6. 4, 3 and 2 on multiply, you get 24. Now 4, 6, 24 minus 24 will give us 0. Hence, in this given equation, the roots will be real and equal. Okay. Now this is the end of this part 18, and we'll continue it again on the next part.